is the Mussar lesson for Pesach. It's very interesting when we notice this Moed, Pesach, everything has to do with dibur, with speech, talking. First of all, we have the greatest mitzvah, Yachad Kollel. You have to inform your children. That's the mitzvah of Pesach. Sipur of Yetziat Mitzrayim, Haggadah, talking about Yetziat Mitzrayim, Nisim and Yifod that Baruch Hu did in Mitzrayim. Then we have matzah. Matzah, the Gemara says, is lechem oni, is afflicted bread. But the Gemara says, don't call it oni, lechem shurin olav devarim harbe. It's the bread that there is a lot of talk over it. That's why when we say Haggadah, we reveal the matzah. We say in front of the matzah, is the matzah answers a lot of questions. There's a lot of talking over it. Then we find Pesach. The Zohar Haggadah says Pesach is, Urban Pesach is called Pesach, is Pesach. Pe means mouth, Sach in Aramaic means speaking, talking. Therefore, we see this Moed, this festival, is surrounded by the power of speech, power of talking. First, we say, what's the pshat? What is the explanation for that? Now, in Haggadah, in the middle of the Haggadah, we bring a pasuk in Torah. We say that the Egyptians did evil to us and afflicted us and imposed hard labor upon us. Now, Rabbi Gifter Zehon Racha asked the question, if we translate did evil, did bad to us, we should have said, they did to us. To us in Hebrew is lanu. But the pasuk doesn't say to us, it says utanu. Vayaru utanu. What does vayaru utanu means? They made us evil. They made us bad. Not that they did bad to us, that would have been lanu. The pasuk doesn't say it's lanu, it says vayaru utanu. They made us evil. They made us bad. Now, what does it mean? What does? They made us bad. Now, the word Paro the government didn't come to make decrees against Chal Israel right away, harsh decrees, vicious decrees. What they did, they introduced the Chal Israel as evil, as bad. They're mongoose. They're sucking our blood. They're eating whatever that they have. Everything here, everything belongs to us. They convinced the nation against them. Through that, they got the nation wide to help them to bother Jews. And what they did to them, they destroyed humanity from them. They took away the essence of humanity. They made them work without any fruit. Everybody wants to see the fruit of his action. He said to make a building and destroy it. To make a pit here and fill it up. You are useless. You are good for nothing. You are a bad Jew. You don't deserve anything. You are not a human being. They gave the work of the men to women, women to men. They wanted to take the value of humanity from them. And through that, they made them to be whatever that they are, that they should just be there and no personality, no power, nothing powerless. Therefore, with this understanding that, we understand that HaKadosh Baruch Hu took us out of Mitzrayim is a different perspective. It wasn't just geography that HaKadosh Baruch Hu took us out of a land to another land. HaKadosh Baruch Hu with Yetziat Mitzrayim and did what they were Paro do. Paro took away the value of humanity from us. Once a person doesn't have value of humanity, doesn't have expression. HaKadosh Baruch Hu took us out from that, gave us values, gave us stand, gave us cheshivah. The 10 makot and 10 plagues revenged any affliction that they put measure by measure. And through that, gave us values, gave us cheshivah, your kingship. That's why on Leil Pesach, we act like a kingship, we recline, we drink 4 kosot of wine, we eat Korban Pesach, barbecue, to give us the values, to give us stand. No, that is a very important point. A lot of times in education, we see a child cannot talk. Teacher tells him, question him, he cannot talk, cannot say anything. And after long therapy, we find out that this child was broken, was shattered at home. They put him down so much, cannot talk. Was a girl so vibrant, very talkative. All of a sudden, after marriage, she became mute, no talking, nothing. We see her someplace, no talk, nothing. And after a while, we found out that she was abused through the husband. Therefore, a lot of times in life, if we don't give that psychological, healthy environment that the person needs, then he would be paralyzed. He would take away the koach of power of speech from a person. Power of speech is the power of the essence of a person. The HaKadosh Baruch Hu told us on Pesach night, brought us to the power of speech. A lot of times, parents, husband, the way that we deal with other people is worse than Paro. Paro took away the essence of a person. Sometimes parents, they take away the essence of the children. Sometimes husband to the wife, wife to the husband, they take away the essence of that person with acting like Paro to take away the value of that person from him. No, with Yisrael is such an unbelievable phenomenon that the Kodesh Baruch Hu gave essence. The conception and formation of Yisrael is to feel your essence, to get your values. And Abba Gifter continued. Nazis did the same idea, the same thing. They took away the value of the Yisrael. They made them naked. They told them, you are useless, you are nothing. And convincing the nation that these people are just fungus, they are just rats, they are taking away our wealth. And through that, they created hatred, the same thing that Egyptians did to the Yisrael, they did the same. And HaKadosh Baruch Hu brought us out of Israel. The Pesach is a night of understanding our own essence, our own values, and being able to express that over feast with our own children and relate and convey this important message of self-value and our legacy of the Yisrael to our children.